Myself, Vinod Sahani. I am currently associated with Bharat Hotels Limited, the Lalit Suri Hospitality Group as General Manager IT, Group IT Head, and also assisting the Subros Limited, which is a sister concern company of the Bharat Hotels Limited. Basically, I am steering the implementation and support of entire IT infrastructure, that is cloud, on-premises, various business critical applications, and day-to-day functions of the IT department. There are a lot of things which is coming in during the COVID time, the new technology, innovative technology solutions. Just looking to the COVID scenario, that is also happening here. So as a leader, my responsibility is to provide flawless, secure customer experience, which is line with the vision of the Lalit Bharat Hotels and Subros Group, a globally recognized hospitality and automobile company sector company, offering multi-city services across the globe. Now, I still remember because the challenges which we were facing earlier when we approached to the AWS, Amazon, and PC solution. Before that, there was multiple challenges we faced it in terms because with the this in my current organization, when we moved to Amazon and PC solution, we had the services one. So there were multiple services which just keep on running on-premises hybrid solution, and also the various back office applications and the front end applications which is there. The first is the websites. There was a lot of websites of the company. We have the websites, which is most of the websites is having the financial transactions are there. So these websites are there where the lot of external travelers are there, which they book book rooms and the hotels. So that is the opportunity which basically guest to. So the challenges we are facing infrastructure issues on a local data center, that is issue related to the performances, majorly security, cyber security, as website designed to cater to a lot of financial transaction as in a surge in demand coming from various global sites while maintaining secure environment for its underlying applications. We wanted to come on an overall of our present infrastructure. So by deploying our website on AWS cloud, we are now able to considerably improve our services to our global customers, especially most of the website which is hosted on cloud, which is an AWS cloud. We have 13 to 14 website which is hosted on cloud, and there are 5 to 6 websites which is having a financial transactions in that. Security and the latency with the help of AWS cloud and PC solutions, especially PC solutions and AWS both in the combination with their implementation team, we have decreased the average network latency while at the same time increase our customer services and efficiency levels. Now, when I have talked about the lot of challenges which we were facing earlier before moving to the AWS cloud, my hosting of my certain application websites to the cloud. Uh, Generally, we say that on-premises solution, which is also a good solution, which is a hybrid solution which works out for all. But there are multiple challenges in the on-premises solutions. Multiple infrastructure issues are there. Manpower, good technical skills are required. 24/7 round-the-clock support is required. Then the high-end infrastructure, which is only possible in the cloud solutions companies like AWS and Azure and all those things. So what happened when we approached to the AWS and the PC solution? We started making the strategy. First, we designed the strategy. First, we made the strategy, and then according to that strategy, we had designed the overall infra and the cycle of the whole project. So that was the PC Solutions approach was this, that we has utilized an innovative approach working with the multiple touch points from application and infrastructure side, because our application was the most of the application was website, which is having the front end used by multiple applications, multiple softwares. So they used a multi-tier deployment strategy, which has ensured high availability of this application, and as a result, the company is able to ensure business continuity for its customer base. Basically, in addition, driving high level of security for this deployment suggested AWS best practices. PC solutions followed security best practices by applying web application firewall rules for application security enable AWS Shield for preventing DDoS attacks and multiple other things. This infrastructure strategy has enhanced security and strengthened their overall experiences. But I still remember after completely migrating to the AWS cloud, the company's website to the AWS cloud infrastructure and the PS resolution, they have supported so lot. Until from that period, we don't have any problems, especially in terms of latency, which was there earlier when we was hosted on the local cloud data center. We had a lot of issues with the latency, and the outcome was there. The customer code, when we started migration, we knew our main challenges was to manage increasing workloads, because in the website, most of our website is there is outbound traffics are there, heavy outbound traffics are there. So when the outbound traffics hits, the hits are there which is coming to the website. So then it has to be, because my what we also did it with the help of the PC solution, that was the strategy and plan, that we took an auto scaling option, EC2, Amazon EC2 auto scaling option also in that project itself, and we enabled with that. So which helped me by the help of the auto scaling, that anytime such hits are there, heavy hits are there, so it has been balanced by the Amazon team itself, and it is the through a technologically way out, it has been perfectly balanced. Basically, auto scaling helps ensure that our application always has the right amount of capacity to handle the current traffic demand, help us in the better cost management auto scaling. So that was the outcome which was there. And then PC solution has helped me so lot. And similarly, in the same time, the Amazon team also, AWS team. So they also have a technical expertise as well as the PC solution. I had a good relationship with the PC solution since from so long. In my past organization also, I have worked with them also. So that is the by choosing the partner with the cloud computing company, that is also a bigger task. A major thing is there. So we just chosen the PC solution as a partner, service support partner and sales service support partner. It is the wonderful choice. One of the best company I have seen it in the uh, system integration company. Amazon, I had the relationship with the Amazon in my previous organization also. There also the similar challenges were there. So one of my key application, we moved from the local hosted to the Amazon. What was the management thought that time, that my data which is moving to the third party cloud center, will it be secured? Because security is most important. The data is secured or not. The database security, who takes that? Even having this signing the NDA also, then also my data will be secured. These are the thought process which was there in the mindset of my management, even the previous company and this company also. But somehow I convinced them that the database, the data, the application which is hosted on the cloud, which is totally secured, it is fully encrypted format. They can't also sign by the NDA. We generally we sign an NDA for this kind of thing. Database security has to be there. One of the good thing is the AWS is that they have maximum numbers. Almost, if I believe so, there are multiple security compliances are there. Multiple security. You talk about 27 ISO 27001, 27017, 18, SOC 1, SOC 2, 3, SOC 3, PCI DCSS, HIPAA, CSA star, multiple things. But whatever which is re-required, those security compliances has been enabled, and also they helped in a way that more enhanced cyber security. How can we secure your database or a website database? So they helped in and design in a such a way that till now, touch wood, there's no any problem. Nothing is there. No security loopholes. Even if I believe so that if we do a VAPT test also, I believe that 100% we will be secured. That is my own version, and my team, my colleagues also, they also say the same things also. That sir, we have moved to a good cloud solution company, and that is a wonderful thing which is there. So my overall experiences, see, generally there are multiple challenges in the application hostings are there. When we talk about hosting, acha, what to do? Should we do it in the on-premises solution? Should we go into the public cloud or the private cloud and all? So decision comes, then we have to also convince to the management also what to be done. Management only prospects from the management prospect. Only worry part is that the management thinks about my database has to be secured if you're moving from here to there. So that is very important. Yes, it has been taken care in the AWS by the AWS team. And since from so long this company is there established worldwide, they have the presence in India also. And that's why the people are approaching to them. Touchwood, I from my colleagues, CTOs, colleagues, CIOs who are there in different organization companies are there. I have never heard about this that the when they have moved from the on-premises or to somewhere else to AWS, they have felt any problem. So similarly, same as to me also, my experiences with the AWS and PC solution is, if I say, wonderful, excellent. Touchwood, no problem at all. And more above than that is that there are more supportive team members. They have the expertise, the strength, the bench strength of the expertise in the PC solution and AWS. Both the team supports us whenever we have a minor small issues in terms of anything. So we request to them, then it has been taken care by them itself because they have the expertise on that. We talked about to them it's also. So these are the things which I have seen it, and my challenges. I have talked about more about the challenges, my outcome, which is what is the outcome after that challenges when we move from this and choose into the AWS with the help of PC solution. These are the outcomes which I have told you.